So the fortress of Antimachia, I would say. Anyway, so like I showed you before, here you can really build, amazing, outstanding community. And not just that, you can, keep that heritage alive. Maybe it's the reason that maybe this built Turks, I don't know, maybe, Greeks, I don't know. But here you can fit a big, huge city inside, I'm sure. And it's not just one. Look, English heritage, for an example. They really, I don't know, that everything is alive there. I mean, you really pay maybe £1, £2, £5, £10, depends where you're going. But it's alive. It's operating. It's rebuilt. It's reconstructed. Everything. And here you can see it's a huge stuff. Anyway, and empty and ruins. And it's beautiful in the middle of the Kos Island. So anyway, that's just an idea. Think about it. Instead that you build those houses 3, 4, 5 levels, and then you're hoping that your kids will stay with you or whatever you're hoping for, maybe just take some old castle or old house for a start, renovate it, and the kids can help you, and you can open a restaurant or some heritage stuff. I don't know what, doesn't matter. It's just that you keep history alive. I'm sure that you can, if you study about this fortress, you will find a lot of things happening behind those walls. And I'm sure that you can put them alive again, It's not everything in Coca-Cola and in McDonald's and, things like that. Let's say that civilization. It's very important that we turn around and we find food and everything, natural stuff, what our grandpas and grandmamas make it, cook it, the way how they build those buildings, which they're still here, and the way how they survive, until now. Anyway, we like you notice that pandemic, it's still going on anyway. It looks like it that we cannot survive even if one flu come. We need to close all the planet, for that. And we are stupid to do that. And we need to vaccinate all the people. I mean, how they did survive without all this? I mean, even a lot of people died and we are still here. I mean, think about that. I mean, it's a bit stupid. But it's up to you. If you like to be stupid, why not? I'm not. I'm just thinking that we can make a completely different civilization on those ruins or from those ruins. But like I said, it's your fear, not mine. Have a great time. I wish you all the best. And I'm here with a bicycle because this is the only way of transportation now. I would use it because the petrol prices, electricity prices, everything will go up. Food prices, so the best way will be to build a fortress like that one and start growing their own food and start having our own drinks, water. Have a great time, enjoy, I love you, from Kos, from fortress of Antimachia. Ciao.